This is the Lifeline Power Wheel Ultimate Core Trainer. We're going to go ahead and crack this open and put it together. So here's the wheel. We've got the axle. You'll see there's some like soft foam tips covering the very ends here. We've got this brief instruction manual, shows you the site if you need any kind of questions answered. I'm going to go ahead and open up the parts bag here. There's the second pedal. We've got the rubber band and also the cushioning that goes between the washer and the rubber ends. And then there's a bag of some screws that we're going to use. So let's take off the rubber tip. I'm going to slip on the protective tip right on top of that. And then we're going to go ahead and repeat the same action on the other side, but we're going to want to slip on the wheel first. And then we're going to take that washer, I'm going to slip that right on in there. And then we're going to have to tighten that down with the Allen wrench that they provide us inside the bag. So we're going to crack that open, tighten it down. Then we're going to get the other side as well. Now let's slip on the wheel, but one thing I'd mention is put the rubber on first and then slip it on. And then you're going to go ahead and put the foam piece on there and then the rubber tip. Make sure that you tighten down the bottoms of each one of the pedals so it stays on securely. Let's give it a little test run. I know my living room space leaves something to be desired, but you can see I'm putting a little bit of weight on it and I feel completely safe. And I've actually used this numerous times since. Let's go ahead and try it out on the feet. I'm going to put this on the feet. It's very simple. You just lift up the Velcro, put your feet up underneath that. The other one right there, and you can just slap the rubber band behind the heel. Now it's time to work out.